kind of funny that my entire garage is a little bit of a mess, but the main cause of it, it's this little table here, and I just kind of been slacking off and putting this table off to the side. But it's pretty important that all I have to do is just take it out, unbolt it, and unbolt this side and put that over. That'll allow me to put this brace in there, and it'll fit properly, and it'll clear up this whole section. Like, everything would just clear up if I just do that. I just got this Husky, which is gonna take the place of that. And it's just made basically drip pans and whatnot and some bolts. But once I take this base and make it into something productive, I'm most likely it's just definitely gonna get a little bit more organized once I organize this little section here. 52-inch 9-drawer tool chest. It's by Husky. So it kind of worked out. I got this at a discount just because the top drawer wasn't working, and I fixed the top drawer. So I had to crawl in here, take all these drawers to pull this drawer all the way out so it can fully function. And I got a really nice toolbox. Just the only thing that, since the other space was smaller, I do have to raise this a couple inches, which I got plenty. I'm gonna raise it as far as I can, all the way down to the top, which is a couple inches all the way. So I'll pull all this down and then raise this all the way a couple inches. But for right now, definitely gonna put the drawers in there and finish organizing this stuff and put it all there, it's looking pretty good. Everything off, and here is my small little collection. It's not much, but I stayed true to it. Everything's yellow, and it doesn't matter what brand you're into, or it doesn't matter what brand you're into, or whatever you want to purchase into as far as the electrical portion of it. The only thing that I give everybody an advice as far as that is, whatever you start buying, make sure your batteries match, because you don't want to mismatch. That's the only thing, because the battery is the main thing that runs electrical power tools. So if you start mismatching yellow with red and green, Milwaukee, DeWalt, and all this other stuff, if you start mismatching them, then you're gonna have a whole bunch of chargers. I have this guy, and I have this guy, and I barely use that one. I use my double charger. Actually, this is brand new, so it just kind of chills off to the side most of the time. And I use one charger that is enough to keep all my batteries charged. They all fit in the same charger, and so at any one point, all of these are always charged, and I can use any one of those batteries on any one of these devices, depending on what I want to use them for. And so that's what I mean. Don't use different batteries. So any one of my batteries fit on any one of my devices. I don't have to search for multiple chargers or have additional chargers. Now, if I wanted to add to this, I can buy one that can charge 4 or more batteries. That's the convenience of sticking to one specific brand.